Thank you guys. We had a really good time. All the best to, it's alright. Some of us can't present but can perform better. So let's hope positively, let's take it in. But one request to all of you, be a little more realistic and more implementation oriented with your ideas. Alright? With that, I'd like to say, वो गार्डन ही क्या जिसमें माली ना हो, वो झगड़ा ही क्या जिसमें गाली ना हो, वो ससुराल ही क्या जिसमें साली ना हो, वो ऑडियंस ही क्या जिसमें गाली ना हो. How many of you have seen the Taj Mahal? Could you please put your hands up? If it's okay, even on TV, put your hands up. TV films. ताज महल के देखकर बोला शाहजहां का पोता. ताजमहल को देखकर बोला शाहजहां का पोता, हमारा भी बैंक बैलेंस होता अगर बुड्ढा आशिक ना होता. Actually, this one time, before that, how many of you are married? Could you please put your hands up? Married. Lovely. Any of the students secretly married? Never know. Happens. Okay. Thank you. So married, don't we know? Now tell me, how many of you are happily married? Lovely. Can we record that and give it to the better halves? Behind every successful man, there is a woman, right? Behind every successful man, there is a woman. Behind every unsuccessful man, there are a lot of women. Wife is cute when she's mute. Husband is honey when he gives money. But nowadays, wife gives money. I'm not married, I don't know, just friends experience. Nonetheless, telling you in a nice way, this time, since I'm coming back to college, I passed out of Christ University just about 2 to 3 years back. Coming back to a college campus, once it happened, there was a beautiful girl from Delhi. I happened to just say, hey, what's up? And then she looked back and told me, ना छेड़ किसी लड़की को पाप होगा, तू भी एक दिन किसी लड़की का बाप होगा. और हम तो कह रहे इमरान हाशमी साहब के भक्त, हमें पलट के चुमा नहीं दिया, कुछ कहा, खुदा करे तेरा कहना सच्चा हो, खुदा करे तेरा कहना सच्चा हो, जो मुझे पप्पा कहे वो तेरा बच्चा हो. Nevertheless, it's so much fun to be amongst all of you. You can, yeah? Some more? Please पैसे में इतना ही मिलेगा. Someone definitely be there sometime invite me. Definitely, I'm also a motivational speaker. I've been a TED speaker. Next, I'm giving a whole speak at the InTalks conference, so on and so forth. You can Google me for my details. We'll definitely work together. What I do is probably they missed out in the presentation, introduction. I'm the Indian Premier League host. I host on Star Sports, ESPN, St. Mike, so on and so forth. So definitely looking forward to. Recently I was awarded the Youth Icon of Karnataka, and I look forward to being nominated. I'm just doing the previous MC's job. I've been nominated for 100 Young and Influential Indians for the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's award. So one request to all of you, if I've put a smile on your face, if I've been able to entertain you, please pray for me. I really need your prayers. The finalization happens on this Saturday, so please do pray and just be happy. Make love known to all. Thank you. Make love but from far, okay? Just love, nothing else. And thank you guys, such a pleasure to be amongst all of you. God bless you all. Just one request is you might have the best of matter, but presentation is very important. And when you come in here, do not be casual, you represent your brand. Brand is very important. How you project yourself, how you present yourself. It's very, very important. One life, do not be a mediocre. Try and be the change. Try and be one among the odds. I wish you all the best from my heart. You can access me all over the social media. God bless you all so much as we are guys. You guys are such lovely looking, fantastic people. God bless you with the best. In the end, I'd like to present a Shairi, okay? Shairi, okay? Yeah? You guys like it? यहाँ पे किस-किस को हिंदी आती है, आता है? हिंदी आता सबको? बहुत अच्छा आता. Lovely. So finally, I'd like to say, this is a beautiful line, I believe it. Once during the IPL when I told to Virat Kohli, वो खुद ही जान जाते हैं बुलंदी आसमानों की. Well, he happens to be a dear friend, so it's okay. You can be the next one too, nothing big. वो खुद ही जान जाते हैं बुलंदी आसमानों की. तालीम नहीं दी जाती परिंदों को उड़ानों की. It means those who are the eloquence of success, they know where it reaches to be in the skies. You do not teach a bird how to take its flight. You do not teach a fish how to swim. And you do not teach business to ISBR. Good luck, guys. God bless you. Thank you very much. So yeah, you can have my felicitation now. Thank you. Yes? I'm waiting.
चैताली
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am here at one of the most rocking B-schools. Check out their energy. Well, this is ISBR Business School, one of the most rocking ones. Guys, come on, show your energy. Come on! Thank you very much. Signing off this beer, MC Love Singh. Signing off. Thank you.